Guys, you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable and use split screen feature on your Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to update the browser. To update this guys, just click on three dots option and go to help and go to about Microsoft Edge. Okay, from here guys, you can easily able to update your Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, after updating, in the URL box you need to search Edge //flags. After this guys, hit enter from your keyboard, and here in the search flags you need to search Microsoft Edge split screen. Just you need to enable this flag. After enabling, it will ask you to relaunch your browser. After relaunching your browser, now it will enable the split screen feature on your Edge browser. Okay, now how to use this? To use this guys, in the URL box you can get the split window option. As you can see, just click on it. It will quickly split your tab on different window, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the very nice and very useful feature added in the Microsoft Edge browser. At that time you can do multitasking on your Microsoft Edge browser. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.